What's going on? This is Coach Jay. What I'm going to teach you how to do is the wall push-up plus. Okay, essentially this is the wall push-up with rounded shoulders at the very end to actually stimulate the serratus anterior. This is a muscle that also connects part of the shoulder muscle. The first thing is when you get on the wall is you want to make sure that your hands, the palm of your hands, slightly under your chest muscle, because you want to keep your body in a 90-degree angle as you're moving through space. This is very important. The very first part of the push-up, you're actually going to have your shoulder blades retracted like so. So instead of having your shoulders like this, you're actually going to have your shoulder blades like this. Now, this is actually called moving the scapula. This takes body control to be able to do this. But as long as you understand that your shoulders should be back like this to start with, that's what you need to do. The next thing is you have to have your core tight, your butt tight, and then your quadricep muscles tight. Hands on the wall. The further away from the wall that you stand, the harder this is. So the thigh muscle is tight right now, the butt is tight right now, and the heel of my hand is right under the chest. All I'm going to do is retract my shoulder blades, just like you can see. Inhale down, exhale up. Completely straighten the arms as well as round the back. That would be working the serratus. Down, inhale, exhale, completely round the back. Really exaggerated. Round the back, really exaggerated. Okay? So you're going to essentially keep coming from that push-up, straightening your arms, and then pushing it that much further.